Hello everyone, this video is going to talk about Toshiba 2.5-inch hard drive G002825A PCB board analysis and repairing. This is the G002825A PCB board for Toshiba 2.5-inch hard drives. This is the PCB board number, which is used to identify the board, to look for parts to repair the board. It is very small to see. This is the component side of the board. This is the main chip of the board, also called CPU chip. This is the motor chip to drive the motor on the hard drive to spin. This is the memory chip used for the main chip to run the firmware. This is the contact between the PCB board and the hard drive. Through these contacts, PCB board sends and receive information between the hard drive and the PCB board. This is the contacts between the PCB board and the motor on the hard drive. PCB board through these contacts to drive the motor on the hard drive to spin. This is the firmware chip. This chip holding all the information on the PCB board, including the unique hard drive configuration data. This information is unique to the original hard drive. Hello everyone, this video is going to talk about the 4 steps to fix a Toshiba laptop SATA hard drive by replacing the controller board. Step 1, and also this is the key. Find the correct donor board. In order to find a correct donor controller board for your hard drive, you have to know the controller board compatibility criteria. The Toshiba hard drive G002825A controller board compatibility criteria is 1. Same hard drive model number. 2. Same controller board number. This picture shows where to find the model number of the hard drive. This picture shows where to find the board number on the controller board. Go to www.hddparts.com. Input the board number and the model number of the hard drive and click on search. Now we found the correct donor board for this model hard drive. Please read the item description and follow the instructions. Step 2. Remove the bad board and ready to do the controller board BIOS transfer. Step 3. Controller board BIOS transfer, and also called as controller board BIOS swap. It means to transfer the controller board BIOS from the original board to a good donor board. Why do we have to do the controller board BIOS transfer? Because for this model hard drives, one controller board includes 2 parts, hardware and controller board BIOS. The controller board BIOS includes hard drive's unique configuration data. The hard drive needs this unique configuration data to work. So, we have to transfer this unique configuration data from the original board to the donor board. then the donor board can work on the original hard drive. This picture illustrated how the controller board BIOS transfer works. On the left-hand side is the original bad board. On the right-hand side is the donor good board. The controller board BIOS transfer means to transfer the controller board BIOS from the original bad board to the good donor board. Regarding the hard drive controller board BIOS transfer, we want to point out the following things. 1. We can do the controller board BIOS transfer from the physically damaged controller board, like burned, watered, or other kind of damage. Our controller board BIOS transfer success rate is more than 95%. 2. Controller board BIOS transfer is different from the hard drive firmware upgrade. The controller board BIOS transfer is to transfer the controller board BIOS from one board to another board, so we can make two identical controller boards. Hard drive firmware upgrade is to upgrade the hard drive's own firmware. It's nothing to do with another hard drive or another controller board. We cannot make two identical controller boards by hard drive firmware upgrading. 3. We do the controller board BIOS transfer for our clients for free. Step 4. Replace the bad board with the good donor board. How to ship the controller board to do the controller board BIOS transfer. This is an option only. You need to fill a controller board BIOS transfer form. You can find the form in the item description. Please print out this form and ship together with the board. This is how the clients ship the controller board to us to do firmware transfer. 1. Print out our shipping address on envelope. 2. Client's mailing address. 3. Print out the form and ship the form together with the board. 4. Customs declaration. Item name: bad hard drive circuit board. Item value: $10. How we ship the donor board to our clients. We offer worldwide free shipping. We put the board in a professional box. We use the static bag to protect the board. We carry all the brand name hard drive controller board, from the very old to the latest. If you cannot find the correct donor board for your hard drive, you may take pictures of the hard drive and both sides of the controller board. Email the pictures to us. We will find the correct donor board or the best solution for you. Our email address is hddparts@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.